Hello, it's Monica from Crafting with Quilling Lady, and I hope you have absolutely fabulous day. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create very quick and elegant First Holy Communion invitations. And at the end of this video, I'm also going to show you some cards I created with the same technique. For my project, I'm going to use 6 by 6 inches white card, and to embellish it, I'm going to create myself a panel measuring 5 3/4 by 5 3/4 inches using Snow White card from Crafter's Companion. It has that amazing shine, and I thought it would be so perfect for this occasion. I'm going to use my one and only liquid glue, magic glue, to put those elements together. To add even more special effect, I'm going to use the best card from HobbyCraft called Glitter Effect card. It has those gold splashes, and I think these are just so gorgeous. So I thought, why not? Let's create a focal element using one of the best cutting dies from Crafter's Companion called Abstract Frame. I'm going to die cut that element, and it's always a good idea to put a little bit of low tack tape, especially with bigger die, so they don't move when you put them through a die cutting machine. And when this is ready, I'm going to assemble it on the front of my card using again my one and only liquid glue, magic glue. It has that narrow nozzle here, so it is perfect, especially for those intricate die cuts. All the names of the products I use in today's video you can check in the description down below. I really like this cutting die because it is perfect for so many different occasions. I wonder, do you have this one? Or if you don't, maybe you have a different one, which is very beautiful and you can use for lots of different occasions. I also wonder, have you seen my 500 subscribers giveaway video? If you haven't, the link is at the top right corner. And tomorrow is the last day you can enter my giveaway. So if I commented on your entry on your social media, that's fine. But if I haven't, please email me. And my email address is under that 500 subscribers giveaway video, so please check it out. I absolutely love every single project he created with my free mandala designs. Okay, so when this is ready, it is time to embellish the project and make it personalized. So first, I'm going to use one of the cutting dies from the wax I got many months ago. And I think this is perfect for many different occasions as well. So, using my computer, I use one of the softwares and I created all the words I need to embellish the front of a card. As it is invitation, I had to put invitation for First Holy Communion and then the name of the person. As you can see, I created that arch here because I knew I'm going to use something round, especially for those cutting dice elements. So I needed to make sure that I can see all the words here in the middle of that cutting die, and then it is time to die cut them here. As you can see on that A4 paper, I've got 6 elements here to die cut. So it is time to die cut them first, but I do encourage you to actually use your scissors to cut around first. And this way you won't have any extra texture from your cutting plates that you put it through a die cutting machine. So when these elements are ready, then you just have to put it in the middle of your invitation. But even then, I think there is still something missing from the whole invitation. So I had a look at my stash, and not only I'm going to put that element in the middle, but also I use some gold mirror card for other elements, and I'm going to show you them in a moment. I wonder, have you ever created some First Holy Communion cards? If you haven't, this occasion is very special in Poland. And to be honest, last week when I posted some other First Communion card videos, and I will link them at the very end of this one of my crafty friends on YouTube also created First Holy Communion card based on my video. So thank you so much to Crafty Cs. I absolutely love what you created. Now it is time to create other elements, and again I use that beautiful Snow White card from Crafter's Companion, and also it will match the background I created. So it's always a win-win situation when you want to make sure that all the elements will match on your project. It is time to create other elements with gold mirror card, and actually I use my scanner one in CAD machine to create this one, because I knew I needed loads of them for lots of invitations, so I created them using circles, semicircles and ovals, which was super quick to create. It is time to assemble all those elements on my card and put them where they should belong. It's always a good idea to do a dry run, so you make sure you've got all the elements where you want and you've got enough space for them. What do you think about this color combo for First Communion? Do you think it would be good for wedding or wedding anniversaries as well? Please let me know in the comments down below. I also wonder, what is your plan for bank holiday weekend? I want to explore some card making ideas, but also I want to go for a walk because the weather is absolutely beautiful with lots of flowers and the sky is blue. I absolutely love it. So I'm going to take advantage of the weather and I'm going to go for a walk just after publishing this video. So as you can see, all the elements are ready here, and again I'm going to use my one and only liquid glue, magic glue, because when that glue dries, it dries clear and you do have time to maneuver the elements if you need to. And what's really good about those elements, you can actually shape them like in here, so to create a curve. I really wanted to show that curve, especially of the doily I created with the name of the girl. As you can see, this invitation is super easy, and whenever you create any invitations, I do encourage you to keep it as simple as possible because you have to create loads. So the cut is finished, and you can also use your printer to create the insert, or you can write the message inside. I really like the shine here. Do you like it as well? Please let me know in the comments down below. When this is ready, I'm going to show you all the other invitations I created. They are slightly different because every single one is handmade. So let's have a look at them here. As you can see, they look very similar, but the arch was slightly different with the elements on the left hand side. What do you think about them? Do you think they are good invitations, or would you change anything? And now, when these are ready, I'm going to show you two other cards I created using the same technique. As you can see, I've got a picture of a boy on the right and some gold gems in the corners. I also have the name of the recipient, die cut with gold mirror cut. And here I've got some differentiation with that Snow White and also white card on the left hand side. And then there is another card for a girl. And I chose the same elements, but I put them on a different side. So what do you think about those two cards at the end? Do you like them? Do you think the choice of gold gems in the corners is a good choice? I really wonder what you think. Thank you so much for watching and spending that time with me. Don't forget to like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And here you can see my other videos with Holy Communion cards. Have a wonderful day and stay tuned for more videos because on Monday I'm going to have a super cool personalized cards. Bye!